Benefits of clove tea before sleep. Try it for 1 week regularly and see the magic. Why I am recommending this? Just because of its magical benefits during sleep. You are not first one to use it, but it has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Here are 20 potential benefits of drinking clove tea at night, supported by medical reasons. Number 1. Improved digestion. Clove tea can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and preventing indigestion and bloating. Number 2. Relief from gas and flatulence. The carminative properties of clove tea can help relieve gas and reduce flatulence. Number 3. Soothes sore throat. Clove tea's antimicrobial properties can help soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Number 4. Alleviates cough and cold. The expectorant properties of clove tea can help loosen mucus and provide relief from cough and cold symptoms. Number 5. Better respiratory health. Clove tea's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects can support respiratory health and help prevent infections. Number 6. Boost immune system. Clove tea contains antioxidants that can help strengthen the immune system, reducing the risk of infections and diseases. Number 7. Relieves stress and anxiety. The aroma of clove tea and its compounds can have a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. Number 8. Promotes sleep. Drinking warm clove tea at night can help promote relaxation and induce sleep, aiding in insomnia and sleep disturbances. Number 9. Supports dental health. Clove tea contains eugenol, which has natural analgesic and antibacterial properties, providing relief from toothache and promoting oral hygiene. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory effects. Clove tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, benefiting various conditions like arthritis. Improve blood circulation. Clove tea may help improve blood circulation, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Number 12. Regulate blood sugar level. Some studies suggest that clove extract may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes. 13. Liver support. Clove tea's antioxidants can help protect the liver from oxidative stress and promote its overall health. 14. Antiparasitic properties. Clove tea contains compounds like eugenol and caryophyllene, which have demonstrated antiparasitic effects, helping combat intestinal worms. 15. Menstrual pain relief. Clove tea's analgesic properties can provide relief from menstrual cramps and discomfort. 16. Antibacterial effects. Clove tea has shown antibacterial activity against various pathogens, helping to combat infections. 17. Antifungal properties. Clove tea's antifungal compounds can help combat fungal infections like candidiasis. 18. Joint pain relief. The anti-inflammatory effects of clove tea can be beneficial for reducing joint pain and inflammation. 19. Weight management. Clove tea can help boost metabolism and aid in weight management efforts. 20. Skin health. The antioxidants in clove tea can contribute to healthy and radiant skin by neutralizing free radicals and promoting skin cell renewal. Precaution. While clove tea offers many potential benefits, it's essential to enjoy it in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Additionally, individual responses to herbal remedies can vary, so it's best to observe how your body reacts to clove tea consumption at night. Thanks.